You joined Mailbox Power. Now what? Well, I'm going to tell you what I really believe the first two things that you should do, and you should do it day one when you join. And that is, first off, if you have a significant other, or if not, a best friend, a mother, a father, a child, whatever, create a card and a gift and send that to them. And customize the card and the gift with photos of them or them and their family or them and you, whatever photo that you think they would really be impressed with. And how do you find that? You go to their Facebook page. If it's a close friend or family member, you may have photos. But if not, you can go to their Facebook page and see what photos they use as their cover photo. Anyway, put that on a card, put that photo or another photo on either a coffee mug, a brownie, a gift, and send it to them. Don't let them know it's coming. Why do I say that? Well, they will get this box in the mail and they're going to open it up and it'll be customized and you're going to get the reaction from them. And that's powerful. You'll see instantly the effect that sending these customized cards and products has on other people. And so that's the first thing. The second thing I believe you should do, everybody, is send yourself something. Create a couple postcards, a postcard, a greeting card, a gigagram, a coffee mug, some brownies, some cookies. Get any kind of gift that you can customize. And I also would say create a box. Send yourself some of these products. Create a box, create a card, send yourself a gift so you yourself can see the impact of getting these customized gifts in the mail. So that's the first two things. Send your significant other or your closest friend a card and a gift, and separately send yourself a card and a gift. Now, beyond that, what I'm going to tell you to do is use the product. These products are phenomenal, whether you join just for personal use or whether you have a business that you plan on using Mailbox Power for. It's phenomenal, but it's only phenomenal if you use it. You got to start using it and use it daily. And I can tell you a whole lot of people that join, they love it. They see it either on a video or they saw it at the company website or somebody told them about it. Somebody sent them a product. They join. They think this is going to be great. And then like a lot of others, it's kind of like a gym membership. How many people join the gym, don't go at all for a month or two and then quit, or they join the gym and they go once or twice a month and after 6 months or so they quit. A gym membership is only good if you use it. Mailbox Power is the most powerful marketing tool I've ever used in 32 years as a real estate agent. But Mailbox Power is only powerful if you use it. Now I'm also going to share just what some of my favorite products are. I love the gigagram. It's under cards. These are not the card. This is the envelope. You customize an 8.5 by 11 card, and you customize the envelope. I mean, think about that. In real estate, I use it this way to go after a listing. Put a photo of their house on the envelope, so they get this in the mail. They're impressed. Who sent me a big envelope with my house on it? And then they open that up and they see a photo of their house on a big heavy card and then my information on the inside. So I love these. These are about $3 if you join at the executive level. I use these. Probably, I would say I've sent more gigagrams than anything. They're so powerful. So keep that in mind. Another product I love is the coffee mugs, both for business and for personal use and for gifts. Like this is a coffee mug I sent to our daughter. I sent one to me too, obviously, of Molly and me on Potato Chip Rock out in California. I mean, what a great gift for your daughter, And there are 8.5 by 5.5 postcards like this that you can send. This is a realtor who's joined. One way he uses it. This is one that I sent to a nationwide radio talk show, and he talked about me on his talk show after he got this card and a gift. 8.5 by 5.5 postcards. We got 4 by 6 postcards. The coffee mugs are phenomenal. The boxes are really cool. This was a thank you gift I sent to another realtor I've done a lot of deals with. She got this box and a shipping box, and then she opened that up, and there were cards and gifts in there. There are puzzles. You can send puzzles. I use the puzzles in real estate. It's a great idea to get a listing appointment. You know, they get a box in the mail like this with a photo of their house. They're impressed. Who sent me that box? And then when they open the box, they see this postcard with my information on it. And there's also a puzzle, a 12-piece puzzle. And it takes about 30 seconds to put that together. And when they put that together, it's a photo of their house. And I wrote the word sold. There's just so many different products. I love these jar openers. This is my wife and me and 3 of our 5 grandkids. Jar openers are inexpensive, and you send that to people as a gift, and you put their family on it or their house on it. It's just incredible. There's so many. These are dark chocolate espresso beans, and you customize the label. There's so many different great edible items that you can customize and send. So anyway, back to you join, now what? Well, you got to start using it. And the first 2 things you should do is send a customized card and gift to your significant other, your best friend, your mom, your dad, your kid, whatever, somebody that you see a lot. And send yourself a custom card and a custom gift so you yourself can open that up and see the response that you have. It's really impressive when somebody sends you a gift with your photos on it. Anyway, I'm Jim McCord. I absolutely love the company. It's changed my life. It's changed my life, and it's changed my real estate business more so than anything I've ever done. But this product, just like a gym membership, is only as good as how often you use it. So start using MailboxPower. They have a session every day. There's a help icon online if you have trouble. They also have a session every day. You'll see it on the site where you can ask questions. It's a live Zoom. So if you're struggling with how to create the cards or the gifts, get on one of their daily live Zoom sessions and you can ask any question you like, and you also can click on that help icon. All right, you guys, use MailboxPower. You'll love it. You have a great day.